I heard you. You can see a nice drawing of a cat. Let's start the drawing. First, we draw from the top. Then we draw here. Then again, we are going to draw on top and draw like this. Let's put few strokes of the, the face. Okay. Now we are going to draw the eyes here. Okay, alright, the eyes here, and draw the nose like this. Few strokes for the hairs, you can see the feathers and the other things. Alright, so the body part, as you can see, you can draw the hands, draw a few things like this, and few drawings. This is the paw of the front leg, and another paw you can see here. Okay, the body, it's very soft body. You can draw like this on the other part, the back side, and yeah, it has a shape as the cat is sitting, so you can see some paws here, and the tail, it's here in this position. Okay, so the cat is sitting on the ground. This is a very nice drawing, and I'm putting the ground like this color. The whole drawing, as you can see, doesn't take much time, and I drew it with the very first process. Alright. For the ear of the cat, we can put few colors like this for the depth of the drawing. Alright, so the progress of the drawing of the cat is going on. The tail, it's bigger at the back. Alright, we can draw the few outlines with these pencils to emphasize the shades and the brightness and the darkness at different points. Those are not the same. That's why in few points you are going to put the color pencil and the strokes little bit hard strokes, and in other points the strokes, those are going to be little bit soft strokes. Okay, so I'm filling up the whole body as a uniform part. All right, this is the drawing of a cat. Alright guys, I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe my channel if you like it, and all you can do the practice at home. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.